Hello everyone, welcome to your Apna channel. So now we will discuss how you can prepare for NTRO interview. If you are watching this video, then first of all congratulations to all because you already beat thousands of candidates, those who applied for aviator and technical assistant post, right? Now you are just one step away from your dream job from your this NTRO aviator or technical assistant post. And I want that you should give your everything for the interview preparation because the number of vacancy is good. Okay, you can see the number of vacancy approximately 160 vacancies are there. Okay, I guess 80 for electronics, then computer science also 80, and 22 for aviator, I guess, right? So around 180 190 vacancies we have for aviator. Also those who applied, okay, this is group A position, gadgeted position. So you guys, those who applied for aviator post, just give it all 100% you should give for your interview preparation. Okay, and you should be super strong while going for the interview. That is required for this group A gadgeted post. Okay, and this opportunity you will not get again. So that's why understand the seriousness of the situation and work on yourself. Correct. One more thing, that lots of queries or lots of messages I am receiving, which is common from almost everyone, that sir, what is our score? Because NTRO did not release individual score and cutoff. Also, we don't have any idea about cutoff because they didn't release. Just they release the list of the roll numbers, right? Now see, basically what you can do here. Okay, if you are getting these thoughts continuously that okay, my raw score is this, if my shift is hard, then I will get how much marks, then then interview marks will get added, then finally will I make it or not? Just leave it everything. Okay, just focus on your preparation because anything can happen. In the past also, those candidates from Upna government job who are selected, they got selected in waiting list also. Why? Because they just focus on their hard work, their preparation. Okay, so do not think anything that okay, what will happen when you in your final result. From your side, you should give 100%. Okay, there should not be any regret after your merit list or after your final result. Okay, that is the thing. So I want for the next 15-20 days, how whatever days you have in your hand, you should only focus on this 50 marks now because you already did your job for this 80%. Okay, leave it, forget it. Now our target is this 20% or this 50 marks, and we need to try to score high marks in this 50 mark. Correct, this is our target. So just forget everything and always remember one statement, that anything can happen. Okay, because see, few of the students definitely will get rejected in document verification, few of the students will not go to the interview. Okay, because I guess they will getting better opportunity as compared to NTRO, because few of the students also got selected in DRDO, which is most important, and definitely they will not leave DRDO over NTRO. Correct. So means lots of things are there. Okay, so I want that you should prepare, you should focus on your preparation irrespective of that discussion, everything, and just stay away from this discussion because it will not give you the desired result. Okay, definitely it will always deviate you from your goal. So it's better to leave such chat, such telegram group, such WhatsApp group, wherever you are. Okay, just leave it and join the group of like-minded people. Okay, you can join our telegram channel or other channels. The main thing is that only. Correct. Okay, so now before going to our NTRO interview preparation, right? First thing, how many seats we have for our IJP? As you know, always we have limited number of seats. Correct. So for aviator, I am taking total 10 candidate. Okay, you can just join quickly after this video in the link. The link you will get in the comment section. Okay. For technical assistant computer science, I am taking total 20 candidates, and for technical assistant EC, that is electronics communication, also electrical is included in here, I am taking total 30 candidates. Okay, so total seats are 60 for our IGP of NTRO exam. Okay, so these are the registration thing. Now most important, obviously those who already know about Master Pack, okay, and about our channel, they no need to watch this video again and again. You can just focus on your preparation. I already uploaded the video of preparation guide, work on that. Right now, those who are new and those who don't know about Master Pack, so it is the part of which, that is your NTRO exam preparation or interview preparation, is a part of Master Success Pack also. Okay, now what is Master Success Pack, everything I will not go into so much detail. In the comment section links are given, you can just click on that, you can read the description. Okay, in short, it is the most affordable thing, okay, where you can prepare with multiple recruitments, so that no need to pay fees again and again, right? Like this NTRO interview, along with NTRO interview, if you are preparing for other exams, then I will recommend you to join our Master Success Pack. Okay, because lots of things are there in the description, everything is mentioned, and also you can watch the video whenever new exam I added in the Master Success Pack, I make the official video that we are targeting this exam. So in that I also provide details. Correct. So this is the part of MSP also. Now you will ask me, sir, which one you should join, because there are two plans. One is 6-month plan and one is 14 months plan. Okay, so now it depends on your recruitment, which recruitment you are targeting along with NTRO interview, because NTRO interview will get finished in 1 month, right? But suppose if you are targeting other recruitments and if you are confused that whether you should go with 6 month or 14 month, in the chat when you will join our application, okay, in chat you will see my chat, you can message me and you can take consultation that which you can select for what recruitment. Okay, definitely I will guide you for better way that how you can join this and which one you should take, correct? Okay, so quickly in our master's pack what currently is going on, okay, as on 5th of June 2023, currently what exams we are targeting, and you can also target along with entire interview. So first NIC, all post NIC scientist B, okay, then you are technical assistant officer or STA, that we are targeting CBT both and interview, okay. Then BRC technical officer we are targeting CBT and interview. DFCCIL executive IT we are targeting because ECE people are eligible for IT posts, that's why, okay. CBT1 and CBT2 both. Then ISRO scientist we are targeting CBT and interview. So suppose out of now this 4 recruitment, if you are targeting or if you fill form for NIC also, BRC also, or ISRO or BRC, then you can join MSP, so that definitely it will benefit for you, okay. Then IGP, currently what IGPs are going on, definitely NTRO technical assistant first, okay. Second, Samir scientist. Now suppose if you qualify for Samir second stage and if you are expecting interview call, then IGP of Samir, you do no need to take separate IGP for Samir, okay. In this only you will get the things. Then third, ICIT scientist, if you are again expecting a call from ICIT along with NTRO, then also you can take this. And currently we are BDL management training interview program is going on, okay. So you can see that in one pack only, that is our in master's pack, you are getting this all the recruitments, okay. So that's why it is most affordable and strong solution, because definitely we have consistent selection, okay. So this is for electrical and electronics and communication and instrumentation guides, okay. You will join only ECI and master's pack. Then for electrical, what we are going as on 5th of June, NIC, BRC, DFCCIL, Executive Electrical, ISRO Scientist, okay, all the selection process, CBT interview. Then for BRC, CBT interview, DFCCIL, CBT1, CBT2, ISRO, CBT and interview, okay. What IGPs are currently we are targeting in your Master Success Pack, NTRO, technician you will join, okay. Now see, those who are from electrical branch, okay, if you qualify for NTRO, then join Master Success Pack Electrical. Do not join electronics, okay, because with that you can also target this recruitment, other recruitment. Then Samir scientist and BDL management training currently we are going to. So these are the things for electrical. Then for computer science, okay, as on 5th of June, NIC, BRC technical officer, DFCCIL executive IT post, ISRO scientist post, okay, we are targeting along with the selection process. Then IGP, NTRO technical assistant, ICIT scientist and BDL management training currently going on, right. So these are the things we are targeting for computer science master's pack. All the links are given in the comment section, so just you can join after this video. Okay, now most important thing about our IGP. So those who are specifically those who want to join IGP, okay, for you guys, what will be there in your IGP, correct? Okay, so first, definitely without mock interview guidance program is, I can say, not complete, right? It is not completed. So mock interviews will be there for sure, right? Now you will ask me, sir, how many mock interviews will be one? Because some coaching companies or some institute only take one mock interview and they charge over 1,000 rupees. Okay, so obviously it is not the case here. Maximum, okay, 3 mock interviews will be there, and it will increase, okay. It may be increased depending on my satisfaction level, because if I am not getting satisfied with your performance, if I am thinking okay, 1 more is required, 2 more is required, then I will take it, because my ultimate aim is selection, okay. It is not like just I want to give it to you and just do prepare by yourself, okay. I want that selection banner which you see in our community post, okay, and my personal target is different, so that's why till your selection I will be there, okay, no need to worry. And the simple formula is, if I am not getting satisfied, then how you will get selection, because you can't satisfy the panel, okay, if I am not getting satisfied. So it depends on your performance that, okay, but minimum 3 or maximum 3 mock interviews will be there, correct. Now the most important, next it will be one-to-one discussion, where I am just observing all the things one-to-one, okay. It is not like group discussion, everything one-to-one. I will guide you, everything is one-to-one and personalized, okay, based on your weakness, how you are talking, everything we will discuss in our IGP, that is your mock interview, okay. Then you will get live feedback immediately after your interview, and next time I will check whether you improve it or not, definitely, because improvement should be there, right. If you did not improve, if first thing you should know that where you are lagging, because lots of students just directly go to the interview, okay, just they prepare technical and everything, go to the interview, and they get failed. Watch episode 1 of our Apna podcast, okay, Diman. The same mistake Diman was doing, that continuously he was going for the interview and he got failed. After that he joined our IGP and now he is deputy manager in Railtel, okay, taking 10 lakh of salary. So this is the thing only, that people or student did not get idea, okay, that where they are lagging. For that a mentor is required, so definitely live feedback will help you in that, okay. Next thing, help you to frame required answers, now definitely it is not like what question they will ask. Definitely I will tell you everything, okay? But what answers you should give, who will tell this thing, and who, though all the people, those who run IGP and everything, okay, they don't bother about this thing, which is most important and which will guarantee your selection. Consistently I am giving selection, obviously because of these factors, okay? So it is most important that not to understand what question they will ask, but how to answer those questions, okay? That is the most important thing, and that thing I will check and I will guide you, I will modify with you, okay? Then in running interview, how to give direction to the interview, which will definitely benefit us, that also we will discuss. Lots of things are there. These are the few points I am just writing for you, and these are the few points for new student. Those who are Apna student, they already joined IGP, okay? When I will launch, I already launched it in afternoon in our Telegram and WhatsApp I shared, and they'll join. But these are for the new student, those who are first time visiting this channel and they don't have any idea about this channel, for them, okay? And the main thing is that, which is most powerful, that expected question based on previous or current, okay? Now suppose interviews are there, you know, from 12 to I guess 24, 26, na? So on 12 I will get the idea, okay, what interview question they are asking, okay, how the process is going on. Based on that, what is possibility that they can ask you on 14, 16, 24, whatever, right? Everything I will share with you, so that you will get idea, or you will get proper preparation guide, that okay, yes, currently this trend is going on, possibility is there, okay? So that for each and every scenario, scenario A, scenario B, scenario C, scenario D, I will prepare you, I will train you, okay? Definitely it will boost your confidence and it will motivate you, and I don't need to tell it by myself, our students are telling, you can see the testimonials also, that whatever question I ask, okay, that get repeated there. Lots of times it's happened in Realtel also, in MITI, NILET, STQC, NILET, NSC, okay, everything, every time it happens. Now it's not like that 100% question will repeat, definitely 25%, 50%, up to 75% question repeated there, okay? So when the same question, which whatever I am asking here, okay, that same question if you are getting there, so just imagine that what is your confidence level to answer the things, okay? Because we already practiced that same question, or the kind of question that we practice, right? That's why practice, one-to-one practice is most important, right? So I hope you got the idea that what we are having in our IGP, okay? If any other details you want, you can just message me on our application, okay? I will give you details. Next thing, that who should join. So those who are giving their NTRO exam as their last attempt, means if you are age of 28, 29, 30, okay, strictly I will recommend you guys to join the IGP, because do not take any risk, because this is your last attempt, okay? You will miss this golden opportunity of level 10 and level 7 job. Second, those who are freshers, okay, and they are giving their first interview of life, definitely lots of guidance and lots of preparation you guys required, okay? So for you, IGP is must. And yes, for all the serious students, those who want to join NTRO anyhow, and those who want to crack this thing, because see, only one step is left now, that is your interview, and because of interview, if you fail, definitely you will feel regret. And those who are working somewhere in private or any government job, which is less level as compared to NTRO, for them also in less time, how you can prepare and everything, okay, you can just join IGP for that, everything you will get. And those especially who have interview on 12, 13, 14, do not worry, already I uploaded the video in your IGP, okay? First, after payment, you will watch that video, you will complete your registration by providing photo and our interview call letter to our team. They will message you separately, okay? Watch that video, every guideline carefully I have given there, okay? And soon we will start our mock interviews for you guys. Okay, now those who are new to the channel, or first time visiting, or first time watching this video, they will think that, okay, why should we join? So obviously the very strong reason, that consistent result, okay? So till now I am giving consistent selection in not only NILET recruitment, NILET and NIC, STQC, MITI, okay, but also in all the PSUs and central government jobs so far, okay? You can see the thing. If you want specially, you can just watch the video. Everything is there on our channel. It is not like I am paying the student, okay, and they are just giving me the result. This is the purely with the result which we are getting because of, first thing, good intention, because mentor with good intention can provide only result, okay? Second thing, hard work of me also and my aspirant also. And third thing, definitely with the God grace, that we are getting the result, okay? So this consistency, I'm sure it will continue, okay? So yes, there is a strong point, that result. So this is one of the authentic and most powerful platform. If you want to change your life, if you want to secure a government job, then you should join. Second, after joining our IGP, again, I will not tell this thing, okay? You will get that thing from our testimonial or from student feedback only, that lots of improvement in their confidence, in their talking, in their anything, every aspects of their personality, okay? They feel, who aspirant feel after joining our IGP, and definitely improvement is most important thing. With improvement only you can achieve anything in your life, okay? And so lots of improvement you will see when we will finish our IGP, or you will go for the NTRO interview, okay? So at currently you are at whatever level, definitely 3x. How much? 3x you will feel after our IGP when we will conclude, okay? Okay, now how to join? So in the comment section, I already told you the links are there. Okay, link of IGP individually. Those who want to join IGP, you can join that. And links of MSP, that is Master Pack for electronic communication, electrical and computer science is given. Okay, you can join MSP if you are targeting NTRO interview with other recruitment, so that it will give you benefit, right? So just click on that and just you can join our IGP or MSP. Okay, download our application. Our team will message you, complete registration, and already video is there. Okay, so those who have interview on 12, 13, 14, quickly go and join IGP and watch the video first. Okay, start your preparation as per video, and soon we will start our mock interviews. Correct? Okay. Okay, so this is all about our IGP now. Now this quick guide is for all the students, those who will miss our IGP because of less number of seats. I can't do anything for that. Sorry for that. But yes, I will definitely give you some preparation tips which you can follow and which I am sure that this will help you in your overall preparation. Okay, see, lots of things are there which we are doing in our IGP. Not possible for me to tell you everything, but few key points I will definitely tell you, so that you can also prepare very well for the interview. Okay, see, for aviator, first I will discuss with aviator because obviously group A get it first. So see, now here your technical part. Okay, first let me give you idea about your NTRO interview. Okay, so for both aviator and technical assistant, so it will be your technical plus HR. Okay, they will ask you technical plus HR. Duration you can say up to from 15 to 20 minutes it will last. Okay, depending on what shift you are getting, morning, evening, afternoon. Correct? Okay, now for aviator, basically you need to focus more on your physics plus aviation industry concepts, like how to develop aircraft. Okay, what equipments are needed for aircraft, then after developing aircraft what should you do for maintaining it and repairing of aircraft. Okay, then other latest technologies, whatever developments are there related to aviation industry. So everything you do take care for your technical part. Okay, for computer science and electronics communication, whatever syllabus you studied for your NTRO, okay, that you need to go through. Now here basically two scenarios will be there, that either they will ask you your favorite subject or directly they will throw the questions. Okay, see, basically these are the interview as I already guide my student for STQC, MET and for other interviews, so I know that anything can happen. Okay, there is no fixed thing. So if someone is telling you, okay, this is fixed, this is not, nothing is fixed in interviews. Okay, we should prepare for all the scenarios. In our IGP, I am doing that only. That's why we are getting the results. Correct? So this is the thing only, that okay, I will recommend you. That's why I will recommend you to prepare all the subject which is the part of your syllabus. Definitely that will help you. Correct? The next HR questions you can expect that, okay, obviously the information about NTRO, that what NTRO is, okay, that definitely you will get, you will need for the interview. Okay, then the next thing, that why you want to join NTRO, what is the reason for joining NTRO. Okay, then the next thing, that about your project. So they can ask you questions based on your project. So prepare your BTech or MTech project well, okay, because that's also important. Then different questions like HR, okay, strength and weakness, then about posting and everything. Lots of questions are there which we will practice in our IGP. Okay, so like this, if you prepare, then also you can fight for the vacancies. See, vacancy number are big, so just give it your all and definitely you can make it. Okay, also I will recommend you to join our IGP quickly because the number of seats are less, so that you can do complete preparation, because out of this 20%, if you secure more marks, then only you will get selection. Okay, so yes, this is all about your quick guide for preparation. Now start your preparation, have confidence on yourself, and do not forget that anything can happen. Okay, so just don't focus on marks and everything, just focus on preparation, and yes, you will get good result. If you are connected to the Apna government job, then surely you will get selection. Okay, that is, I am 100% sure. I am telling you this thing because after giving consistent selection. Okay, so yes, all the best for the interviews, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, the video, and also share to all the friends, those who are preparing for NTRO seriously, especially for those basically who are having their last attempt of this NTRO process. Okay, so definitely if you will share this video to them, they will get lots of benefit from you guys, and because of you, one entire family's life will change. Okay, so definitely this is most important. All the best.